Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sukma Falah from 12 Science 2, and I would like to explain how rainbow happens. Rainbow is an optical and meteorological phenomenon in the form of parallel multicolor light visible in the sky or light with its tip pointing towards the horizon during a light rain. Sunlight is a polychromatic light. The white color of sunlight is actually a combination of various light with different wavelengths. The human eye is able to perceive at least 7 colors of sunlight, which will be seen in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This wavelength of light from a ribbon of colored lines. Each nuanced color with a color next to it. This band is called the color spectrum. In the color spectrum, the red lines are always on one side and blue and violet on the other, and this is determined by the difference of wavelengths. Rainbow is a natural phenomenon that is so impressive. This phenomenon often appears after rain. Rainbow is an arc spectrum which is so large and occurs because the drops are refracted by sunlight. When the sun is shining and the light passing through water droplets, then you will see a reflection that becomes a wide variety of colors. Light is reflected like light passing through a glass prism. How does rainbow happen in detail? All this happening when the rains drop. Began when the sunlight passing through the raindrop, then the light is deflected to the center of the droplets. The white light now separated from each other into a spectrum of colors. The process does not stop there. The colors that have been separated then separated again into the very small portion. There is more light separated from each other in the droplets. Then there are move curve, and finally those colors from a light curve called a rainbow. Rainbow is nothing but an arc of a large circular spectrum of the color that occurs due to refraction of sunlight by water grains. When the sunlight passes through the droplets, it reflects like when it penetrates a glass prism and comes out into a rainbow color spectrum. So inside the water droplets, we have got different colors lined up from one side to the other. Some of this colored light is then reflected from the far side of the water droplets, returned and exciting again from the water droplets. Light come back from water droplets in a different direction. Depending of the color on this rainbow are arranged red at the top and purple at the bottom of the rainbow. Rainbow is seen as a bow from the surface of the earth because of the limited viewing angle of the eye. If the vantage point in the high place, for example, from an airplane can be seen as a complete color spectrum in the form of a circle. The rainbow can only be seen when it shines together with the sun shining, but from opposite side of the observer. The position of observer must be between the sun and the droplet of water with the sun behind the person. The sun, the eye of the observer, and the center of the rainbow arc must be in the straight line. Can we make a rainbow? Of course. There are at least two ways you can make a rainbow. First, you can use spray containing water. We know that rainbow occur when sunlight passing through the raindrops, so we can our own rain droplets from the water spray. In the morning or afternoon, spray water under the sun, then see the water droplets flying. Spray a lot of water, then you will see a small rainbow that you can touch easily. Second, use piece of 2D and reflect the light of the sun. Then navigate to the wall or ceiling of your house. On the ceiling on the wall, you will see a colorful light that has the same color as a rainbow. That's the definition of a rainbow. How does it happen and how we can make it true? Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.